Looky what arrived. Ooh. Oh yeah, cut away from yourself. I don't have enough hands. Oh. Alright. Ho ho ho. Bomb. It's the OC edition. It's got all kinds of info. Okay, minimum requirements. 350 watt or better, 8-pin power, PCI Express, 4 gigs of system memory, 8 gig recommended, 10th gen Intel Core processors and higher with compatible motherboards supporting rebar, AMD 5000 or 3000 with 500 series supporting smart access memory. I like how it wasn't sealed. That's cool. Oh, it's just a baby. Oh wow, she is sparse. Oops. Okay, we've got HDMI, bunch of display ports, big ass fan, some plastic wrap, real simple cooler, power. If I read correctly, a bunch of these pins aren't wired. Yeah, you can see that a lot of these traces aren't even live. It's like an X8 situation, but it's a shitty card, so it doesn't really matter. Let's get the plastic off this hoe. Can I get it off all in one? Ta-da! Sick. Well, there it is. Ta-da!